Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Logitech RF wireless extender and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now, there's kind of one of two reasons you're going to want to do this, and they're kind of related. The first one is if you're having any issues where this unit is not connecting or not pairing with your remotes or anything like that, if it's not working, a hard reset to the factory default settings can fix a lot of these issues. And one of the reasons is if you're trying to set it up on something new, it can be hard to pair it on a new device when it's already been on one before. So what you can do is if you want to set this up as something new, you could just do this factory reset to the default settings and then set it up like a new device, and it's really easy to do. So with power to it, with this red light power light should be on, we're just going to come and hold the connect button for 60 seconds. And basically you're just going to keep holding it until you'll see this status and the RF lights will blink red. Alternatively, it'll like blink, 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 blink. And once those blink alternatively, then you can release it. It will be fully reset to the factory default settings, and then you can try pairing it again with your remote or whatever, and that should work then.